Hey guys, today in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can pay for Apollo Group TV. Alright, so let's get started. The direct subscription method is as follows. Visit the Apollo Group TV website and select your desired subscription plan. You can pay using most major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, etc. You can also use the mobile app. Simply download the Apollo Group TV app on your compatible device and subscribe directly through the app. On this platform, payment options are similar to the websites. There are also alternative methods. First one is retail locations. In some regions, you might be able to purchase Apollo Group TV subscription vouchers at authorized retail stores like convenience stores or electronics shops. These vouchers can then be activated on the website or app. Second one is third-party resellers. Authorized resellers might offer different payment options or bundled packages with Apollo Group TV. Research reputable resellers in your area and compare deals before purchasing. That's basically how you can pay for Apollo Group TV. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.